How to make and create label on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to create professional label, go here on Canva. This is the home page. Click on create a design and search for label. Now click on it and it will take you to this page. Now right here you have many options. Click on any option you want, for example this one, and you can change anything from here. As you can see, it looks so professional. This one, you can change anything right here from the informations, the colors. From here, as you can see, everything can be changed. After you finish editing the colors and all those things, all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on share and click download right here. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.